Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to pick our first build for 2023, guys. So come along with us for the ride. It's a 2-hour ride. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually here at Copart to pick up our first build, 2016 Dodge Charger RT. So we're going into the building. We're actually picking up our first build right here in Atlanta. We just got back in from Barbados, so we actually pick up a first build, which would be a 2016 Dodge Charger RT. So we're just waiting on it for the forklift to bring it out from inside. So they're coming through that gate right there. So they're gonna bring the Dodge Charger up. Then we're gonna load it up in the trailer, head back to the shop so we can start this build. Yeah, I need a face in it. Put it in face in the truck in here. Guys, we got the Dodge Charger RT right up in the trailer, almost in fit, so I have to get me another trailer. All right guys, so I just give you a quick walk around with the damages that here on this Charger. So as you can see, got a hit in the front right here. That's the chassis leg right there. Just hit and push to the right. So there's a 5.7 liter Hemi. And guys, we'll be rebuilding this car, doing the body work, and then we'll take it to the paint shop. Woo! We just did a burnout right in the shop, guys. The motor is solid, so come along with us on this series. So we've been doing the RTs, Scat Packs. We've been building these cars, guys. So we do the exhaust, from exhaust straight to intake. We will be changing it up, guys. Follow along with us. Don't forget, guys, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend about the channel. Peace.